Namaskar. I'm Deb, and this is my second video. As I've promised, every Saturday I'll be uploading one video for my viewers, and we have small short videos which will be there as a trailer, you can say. So today, as I have discussed, I'll be presenting before you 5 simple steps as to how to convert a sentence given in active voice into passive voice. So are you ready? Right. For that, you need to have a pen and a paper. And first step is to note down a sentence which is given in active voice. For instance, if we can take a sentence like, the doctor treats his patients in a kind manner. I repeat, the doctor treats the patients. I would prefer to have the patients instead of his patients. I was wrong, sorry. I repeat the sentence. The doctor treats the patients in a kind manner. Fine? This is the first step. Second step, you identify the subject and the object and also underline them. If you have any doubt regarding what is a subject and an object, kindly refer to the short video that I made a few days before, and you can find there. So once you identify the subject and the object, you can easily understand it better. Here the subject will be the doctor and the object will be the patients. Right? For our convenience, we're taking the doctor and the patients together in this manner. Right? Third step will be to identify the verb and its tense, and then as per the chart, modify it. The verb definitely is tries, and tense, can you guess? Yes, it is simple present tense. Now a few of them might be thinking right now, then what is the chart? Yes, if you now go to Google and give a search active and passive voice chart, you can easily get it there, download it and you can follow it. However, I do follow a chart which is quite informative and given in one place. So if you wish to get that chart, you can just drop your email IDs in the comment section. I will definitely mail it to you. Now, if you follow that chart, you will find that if a sentence is given in simple present tense and if it is changed, the verb will modify itself into is or are treated, right? So that is the third step. Fourth step, change the position of the subject and the object. Here the subject is the doctor, that will move at the end, and the object is the patients. We have to bring it at the beginning. So what do we get? The patients is are treated the doctor. And you can very well understand the patients is plural in number. So we have to take the verb as plural also are, based on the subject verb agreement rule, which I will discuss in some forthcoming videos. Last but not the least, the last final step is to add the extras and also input the by wherever necessary. Here, what will be the sentence then? The final one. The patients are treated by the doctor in a kind manner. Right? So just let us recapitulate 5 simple steps. First step, you have to think of a particular sentence which is an active voice, which is in active voice. Second step, identify the subject and the object and underline them. Third step, identify the verb, the tense, and accordingly as per the given chart, modify it. You need the chart, drop your email IDs in the chat box. I'll mail it to you. Fourth step, interchange the position of the subject and the object. Fifth step, add the by and the extras wherever necessary, and you will get the right sentence. Now, I'm pretty much sure you will have some doubts, some queries, maybe some suggestions. Please feel free to share it in the comment section, and also tell me what other videos you want me to make on, where I will help you out on. So that's it from me today. Take care, God bless, and yes, this video also is an unedited one. So keep in touch with me and let us meet next Saturday. Until then, goodbye.